Okay, first let's go to the Play Store to download the app. So let's search. It's called Clear Scanner. Okay. So it should look like this. So click install. Okay, it's already installed. Before that, I'm gonna click this so you can see the full name of the app. It's called Clear Scan PDF Scanner app. So just in case you can't find it, let's open this app. Okay, I'm gonna allow Clear Scanner to access my photo and media. So this will pop up, automatic syncing. You can connect with your Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, but I don't want to connect it. So I'll click maybe later. I have documents already scanned, past documents, because I installed this app before. So to start scanning, all you need to do is just to take a picture of that paper or the document that you want to scan. So you can click the camera, snap a picture, adjust to how you would like it. And this is how it would look like if the document is black and white. You can actually choose 4 options to how you would like your document to display. The first one is original, so this is how your document would look like. Second one is photo. Third one is documents. And fourth one is clear. So usually I'll use the document one. So then you just click. So now if you want to send it to people, if you want to share it, you can share it. Click share at the bottom, share by email or WhatsApp. Okay, you can rename your file. Let's say this is planner. You can share as PDF or JPEG. And yeah, that's it.